What's up, guys? Today I found a wonderful channel, makes the best videos, best cooking ever. Well, actually I found it like 9 months ago, but I'm making a reaction video to it now. Let's go. The channel's called Kay's Cooking. I don't really care about the dough, I'm gonna be honest. Come on. That's concentrated tomato. Why is she putting concentrated tomato paste on a pizza? That's literally just gonna taste like tomato. That's literally gonna be all the taste, just tomato, nothing else. Because regular tomato paste isn't that red. If it's concentrated, then it's that red. No. Why is she using scissors on the sausage? And what is that sausage? Where did she get that from? Some shady corner shop run by Jamal? What kind of sausage is that? Jesus Christ. And why is she using scissors? I've got so many questions. Just not enough answers. Alright, let's... Who needs that? Wait, there's no cheese. There is no cheese. Why is there no cheese on the pizza? And why do you need a mountain of meat? And half of the meat looks like it has already been digested. The only good looking meat is this ham, and it probably has also been half digested. Let's see how it... Ah, yes, the famous taste test. Let's go. If that's good, then I'm just wondering, what's the best thing that man has eaten? Like some McDonald's hamburger, maybe? Don't know. Okay, I'll skip to the next video. Alright, now I'm gonna be reacting to beef alphabet pasta soup my way. Okay, let's go. No. Please don't tell me she's gonna put that minced meat into the water. Well, it's not even hot. It's literally just cold water. Like, yeah, I understand you can boil beef for, like, soup, but why? Why are you putting it in cold water? No, no. No. Why are you putting it in cold water? And why do you need so much beef? Why do you need so much minced meat? No one needs that much minced meat unless you're making meatballs. I'm gonna skip forward a bit. Oh, okay. There's carrots in there, and that looks amazing. No, no gravy. Let me just say, gravy is fucking disgusting. Oh, over where I live, literally no one eats it. Because everyone knows it's about as healthy as staying in Chernobyl for an hour. It's not very healthy. And it doesn't taste nice. I hate gravy. That looks disgusting. That just looks awful. It looks like something died in there. You know, if you ever kill someone, I think you should make beef alphabet pasta soup case way. They're never gonna find them, and it's gonna end up tasting the same as this monstrosity, and it's also gonna look the same. So yeah, if you ever want to hide a body, just make beef alphabet pasta soup case way. Let's skip forward a bit. Right, actually no, she's almost done. We don't need to skip forward. What is that? What is that? What? Is she just taking dirt from the outside? I mean, that would probably improve the flavor of this monstrosity if you put dirt in it. Okay, I don't think this is what you should be doing. You're not the best chef out there, you know? Oh, and she spilt some. Alright. Oh. Okay, well, the pasta is like the best thing she's ever made. Like, I've watched a lot of her videos. That's like the tasty. Actually, maybe the second tastiest thing she's made. Well, looking. Alright, let's see that beef alphabet pasta. No, that beef alphabet soup. Let's see. Yep, no, something definitely died in there. And it's solidifying on the top. Something has definitely died in there. There's no doubt about it. Now, let's see the taste test. Her face. That's just my face when I see her cooking. There's no way he ate that. There's no way he... That's not nice. There's no way he likes that. That man definitely has no taste buds. Taste buds is not a thing he has. Alright, bye.